It's gonna be a long day today. Look, can you see it? Look. New machine. Yeah, so we got another machine. It's Hurricane. I have a Comet back. I don't know if you can see it. It's back there somewhere behind me. And I always wanted to get, like with the Pinbot series, I wanted to get all three of Pinbot, Bride of Pinbot, and Jackbot. I'm just missing Bride of Pinbot. And the same with the Comet series. There's Comet, Cyclone, and Hurricane. So now I have Comet and Hurricane. I don't know why I'm missing the middle bits. I was hoping to have Comet set up when Hurricane came in, but now I'm having a problem. I got it running over there. It was running just fine. And then I moved it over here where I wanted to put it. And then it stopped working. And I repinned some connectors and just one thing led to another. And now I have to replace the power. So I can rebuild the power, but I figured that one had been kind of cobbled together or re-cobbled together. It's kind of a mess. So I just ordered an aftermarket one. I'm going to throw it in. That should arrive probably maybe a week or so, and then it should go together pretty quickly. But I'm going to get Hurricane set up, and we'll put it over there somewhere, and I'll have to move some things around. If you're local and you've been coming in, I have my Spectrum is here. Spectrum is leaving. The paint on Spectrum was starting to, when I bought it, it was flaking a little bit, but it's gotten a lot of plays and now it's really starting to flake. So I'm gonna yank that out probably tomorrow, and then I'll take it back home to the workshop and we'll paint that up and give it a clear coat, and I'll probably make a video on that, hopefully. And then it'll come back in. I just don't want to leave it in here because the wear is accelerating, and I can repaint it, but it's the more paint that's there, the easier it is. All right, let's get Hurricane set up.
Dunk the dummy. Get your weight. Ride the Comet. Dunk the dummy. Test your skill. Ride the Ferris wheel. Try your luck. Dunk the dummy.